Remember when I said Sly is my favorite song on Yours Truly? I lied. Yeah, no, I lied. Because I've been playing it like the whole EP since I woke up, and I realized sort of like, wait a minute, like Sly isn't the favorite, the whole EP is the favorite. It is so good. It's literally so good. Like the shit is crazy. And like listening to it has me so excited for the new album because I'm like, if the last EP ain't this bad, what about the new album? What about the new album? I'm so excited because I know that shit is gonna eat. Like, I know it's gonna be too good and I'm so excited. And like, I'm so proud of you. Like, I know you hate hearing this shit, but I'm so proud of you because what do you mean? This shit is crazy. Like, so crazy.
Still stuck up on my ways, still stuck up on the cake. Got too long, gotta get there, but flow's too sticky, it got in my map. They told me to never give up, now I'm in the car, then gotta snap it. Get jealous, yo, think I said Dory, try Air Force, and gotta get nasty. Militant, man. They told me I would've be nothing. Damn. Front page of a magazine, man, I swear I'm working on something. Gatekeepers, I don't need a key. I was sick, I was stuck in a dungeon. Now bad bitches tryna fill on me, I just might that I'm working on something. Schobati, my religion. And I get done, I got gas, he blow my lil' bra, he gave me a vision. I'm proud to say that I'm him, you know it's a hit when I'm in the kitchen. I'm proud to say that it's us, get Schobati, baby, we move as a village.